Hey there, fellow plant lovers. Have you ever come out to admire your beautiful potted plants only to find that some sneaky snails or slugs have turned them into a midnight snack? I know I have, but don't worry because today I'm going to show you a simple, eco-friendly trick that will stop those slimy invaders in their tracks. And all you need is water. Yep, that's right. Plain old water. Slugs and snails love the dampness and moisture in your garden, especially after a rainy day or when you're giving your plants a good drink. They thrive in those conditions and come out at night to munch on your plants like it's their personal salad bar. But today we're going to use their love for moisture against them. Defend your plants like a castle and deter those slugs and snails. Position the protective ring around any plant. Let me show you how. All right, step 1. Grab yourself a shallow tray or dish, something that can hold water but isn't too deep. We're creating what I like to call a moat of protection. Next, place your potted plant right inside the tray. It's best to place it on a brick or some other platform so that the plant does not soak up the water and become waterlogged. Make sure there's a bit of space around the pot. Now fill the tray with water, but not so much that it overflows into the soil, just enough to create a barrier. For extra protection, use salt water as slugs and snails especially hate this. This water moat acts like a slug and snail deterrent. They hate crossing water. They're not Olympic swimmers after all. Picture this. Our slimy little friend is crawling along, thinking they found their next meal, when suddenly, wait a minute, what's this? Water? They can't swim across it, so they're forced to retreat, leaving your precious plants untouched and looking fabulous. Now, if you really want to check out the effectiveness of this trick, try coming out at dusk or dawn. That's when slugs and snails are most active. With your moat in place, they'll be steering clear of your plants. And trust me, it works. Bonus tip: if you want to double up on protection, sprinkle a bit of crushed eggshells or sand around the base of your plants. These textures are super uncomfortable for snails and slugs to crawl over. And there you have it, a super simple, water-only trick that will keep your potted plants safe from those hungry slugs and snails. No harsh chemicals, no fancy gadgets, just a little moat to stop them in their tracks. If you found this tip helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more garden hacks. And let me know in the comments if you have your own tricks to keep pests away. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on turning vinegar into a mosquito busting tool. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.